I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure your Samsung is unlocked and connected to the Wi-Fi you want to share, because the phone reads the active SSID and security. Once connected, open Settings and either search for QR code or jump to Connections, then Wi-Fi. This gets you straight to network details. You do this so the device can autofill SSID and encryption type, which saves typing and avoids mismatched passwords when you generate the code. Now, tap the connected network name and look for Share or a QR icon. This is where Samsung generates the code using the saved SSID and password. If you don't see it immediately, open the three-dot menu or choose Invite. The phone may ask for device unlock or biometric confirmation for security. Make sure to allow any permission prompts so the QR renders on screen. This prevents failed displays and ensures the embedded network info is accurate for other devices to scan. Finish by sharing. Have the other device scan the on-screen QR with its camera app or a QR reader. Once scanned, it should auto-join the network without typing. You can also screenshot or export the QR for safe storage, but treat that image like a password. Keep it private. If scanning doesn't work, make sure the SSID and password didn't change. Check your phone's network band and security type, and then retry after toggling Wi-Fi or rebooting the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.